Hello everybody, this is Adriana Leon, and I'm going to be demonstrating the first activity for letter knowledge. So the first activity is the candy letter matching game. The description is in the document that's attached with my discussion post, but I'm going to be demonstrating it right now. So practically for this candy letter match game, you're going to need Hershey Kisses, but for the sake of this demonstration, we don't have a lot of candy at our house, so we just have these like Unreal Reese's things and then these Adkins things that my mom likes. So what you're going to do is you're going to get Hershey Kisses, and what you're going to do is you're going to put a sticker dot at the bottom of each of them with a letter. So for instance, we have these two bars right here, right? So they're matching. So we have a capital A and a capital A. So you can do capital letters, you can do lowercase letters like we have on this one, which we have lowercase b and lowercase b, or you can do a capital letter and a lowercase letter like a capital Q and a lowercase q. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip them all over, and then you're gonna kind of mix them up. And then you're going to ask the student, you know, can you pick up one of the letters? So you're going to pick up one of them. And for the sake of this is the only things I have, so the kisses will be different color, the same color. So you have a capital A, and then so if you flip over the other one and it's a lowercase b, that's not it. So you get to flip them back over, and then you keep doing it as many times as you can until you get the actual correct duplicate, and then you keep that, and at the end the students will pick about 3 of the candies that they have, and then they'll be able to eat those. But yeah, so depending on what you're practicing in the classroom, whether that be identifying the two similar ones, the capital A, or lowercase, or kind of identifying the capital Q with the lower q, kind of, you know, knowing that they're the same letter, just one's capitalized, one's lowercase. Depending on what you guys are working on in the classroom, that's kind of what you'll do. Hello everyone, so I'm going to be demonstrating the second letter knowledge activity, which is called the letter basketball activity. So for the sake of this video and demonstration, I'm using wrapping paper, Spider-Man one, and then this one other Christmas one to show the masking tape that you would use in the classroom, and then my hamper back there would be a trash can that you have in the classroom. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the last tape on about, like, I want to say 4 feet away from the trash can, and then put another masking tape in the middle, depending on, you know, if your students make it or not. But let me go ahead and explain. So what you're going to do is you're going to have about quite a bit, I want to say like the whole alphabet plus a couple letters of kind of cut up paper of alphabets. You can use capital, you can use lowercase, depending on what you are teaching the students. And then what you're going to do is you are going to have a child look at you, and then you're going to ask them and tell them what letter to find. So if you say capital K, so if you have a capital K right here, awesome. So the student can either try from this back one or move to that one. There's no points and stuff. We just want them to be able to feel like, you know, if they can make it from here, awesome. If they can make it from there, awesome. There's no points or anything kind of having to do with that. So they're going to have a capital K. They're going to show you. Perfect. Okay, so then they're going to crumble it up, and then they're going to stand behind this one to try it off, and then they're going to kind of throw it into the trash can. See, I didn't make it, so then they can go up and get the paper again and try it again from here, or they can move there until they make it into the basket. Hello everyone, so for the third letter knowledge activity that I had found were the ABC bracelets. So these ABC bracelets are really fun activity that the students can do, which they'll have these like cutouts, which is actually free on this website that I will attach in the discussion here. And so what they can do is they can, the students can color on them. They can make it very personalized to their liking, to, you know, make it feel like they're kind of being in control of, you know, what the bracelet looks like and making it fashionable for them, and they get to wear that bracelet for the rest of the day. And so what that kind of does is kind of allows conversation within the students to kind of be like, ooh, what letter do you have today? And they can look and they can identify, and then the next day they'll be able to do another letter, and so on and so forth. So you can do all capital letters for the first 26 days, and then you can do all lowercase letters for the next 26 days. So, and you can always switch it up and stuff and create fun activities for this. But yeah, this download is free. And then what's awesome about these bracelets is that it has the letter that they want, but then also has a representation of the first letter of like an apple. So that would be an A. And then you have a B or a ball. And so what's really cool about these, they give a bunch of different images to kind of descript kind of what the letter of the day that they have. So yeah, this seems like a really fun activity.